What's going on, guys? Welcome to my video. Today we're talking protein shakes. Let's go.
Today I'm going to show you guys pretty much what I drink on a day-to-day basis. So if you're looking for a low-calorie protein shake alternative, then definitely you will want to stick around for this. If you're following me on Instagram, you will know that I'm in the middle of my cut right now. If you're not following me on Instagram, I will put my tag right here. Anyways, let's get straight into it. So you need to get yourself a blender. The blender I'm using here is the Ninja blender. So you can pretty much use any blender. This is just the one I have in the house. So I'll just move things to the side. So I usually start with one banana, take the peel off, rip it in parts, and then dump it in your shaker. Like this. Boom. After the banana, I like to add some blueberries. And 2 handfuls of blueberries is usually around 40 to 50 grams. What I like to add later is frozen mangoes. Especially love mangoes, so I like to add mangoes and everything. Some of you are probably wondering like, oh Jackie, I thought you were cutting, but why are you eating so much fruits? You can incorporate fruits in your diet. It's not going to make you fat. The only thing that I suggest is that if you're eating fruits, eat the actual fruit, as opposed to if you're drinking an apple juice, then you're just drinking the juice. So a can of apple juice can be like 3 or 4 apples. I actually recommend everyone to eat fruits because they have micronutrients, vitamins, and fiber that is essential for just general health. Like you can't just focus on macronutrients. Yes, those are essential, but like micronutrients and vitamins and fibers are just as essential. So when I make my shake, that's what I make sure I'm getting. Anyways, a bit of a rant there. After the mango, I like to add a grab of spinach. Just like a handful of spinach is enough. Just like to throw that in. After the spinach, I like to add my creatine powder inside. Yes, I add creatine powder inside my protein shake because it's just easier. It's flavorless, and usually creatine comes in food. So in this way, I just feel like I'm eating actual food instead of like artificial powder. I don't know, maybe I'm weird like that. After you add the creatine, then it's time to add milk. So I'm going with this 1% protein milk drink I got from Sainsbury's. Right, so we're just gonna measure out 200 milliliters. Okay, so now we have pretty much 95% of the shake done. We just need one more ingredient. Boom! So peanut butter is the only thing I measure out because it's very caloric dense. And if you're cutting this, it's not a good idea. I like to add around 10 grams of peanut butter in my shake. No more than that. Just to give it that little bump and flavor, if you know what I mean. You close that shit up, pop it right here. Alright, let's blend this shit up. And there you have it. So I usually drink the shake like right here, right now, like in this shaker cup, because I just don't like to wash those things. But for the sake of this video, I will get myself a glass right here. Gainzz, bro. I will put the calories right here in the screen so you can have a look at the calories yourself. That is it. I hope you enjoyed it. This is JACKIESAIYEN low calorie fruit protein shake. Speak to all of you next week.